Yo, what is up, everybody? This is Josh over here at American AF Dumpster Rentals. I am here at 4 Wheel Parts in Dallas, Texas, just outside of downtown Dallas. Look at that beautiful skyline. Don't mind the Burger King right there. But anyways, I am here. I have just taken possession of my truck that they have been working on today. Before I tell you what happens or what's going on or what I got installed. Anyway, so here we are, guys, back at 4 Wheel Parts. I decided to go with airbags. I got rid of the Timberins, which my Timberins are right there in the box. If anybody wants to purchase a fairly used, couple months old Timberins, let me know in the comments below. You have to pay for shipping, but check it out. Airbags. So there's a wireless remote and apparently has Bluetooth as well with an app. So we are going to go check it out. I have my 15-yard I got to go pick up, but here's the remote. Right now I'm going to put it and set it at it's Airlift. The brand is Airlift. We'll put it at 5 and we're going to ride around and see how it feels. So you guys going to go on my first drive, my first test run with the Airlift suspension or airbags. And here's another milestone. Check this out. I have hit already 10,000 miles. 10,000 miles in, boy, 3.5 months. So I'm gonna be going through mileage pretty crazy here. But anyways, let's go for test drive and check this out. All right, so I literally just pulled out. I don't know if you can see the little building over there. It's 4 Wheel Parts. Right behind me, but I literally just pulled out, and I mean I can already tell there's a difference. It almost like, I don't know, the Timberins were great, don't get me wrong. They felt good, and again, the Timberins only come into play when you hit a big bump or you're on a load. The Timberins don't even come into play unless because there's always like a space between the bump stop or the Timberins and the actual frame of the vehicle. So there's, it rides on the suspension until there's a load, and then it activates, I guess you can say. It touches the Timberin and then it activates the Timberins to keep it from sagging. So really can't compare Airlift or air suspension to Timberins because Timberins aren't really a suspension product. However, the suspension was much different in the factory suspension. Oh man, I could just feel it. Just hitting the gas, I can feel it. It's almost like it's gliding on the air. It feels like a whole different vehicle, guys. Let me tell you. I don't even know how to explain it. It just feels like a different vehicle. So let me drive a little bit more and I'll be back. All right, so I've been driving for about 20 minutes now. I hit the HOV lane or the toll tag lane, and I hit it to about 85, 90. This feels like a completely different truck. It's so much smoother. I can literally feel it riding on the airbags. And some of our roads here are pretty rough, so I can definitely feel the difference. I am a firm believer now that airbags are the way to go, and I've only got them at 5. I've only got it at 5. Let's make it a little stiffer and see how I can feel it. So it's at 5. We're gonna go to 20. Again, it really comes into play when you hit bumps. It'll activate the air that's in the bags. feel that. Let's go back down. I went airborne there a little bit. Go back down to 5. And yeah, we'll keep it at 5. But yeah, it's a much different ride. So highly impressed. Honestly think that these trucks should probably come with that kind of airbag suspension, because it's just so rough. My kids hated riding in the back of the truck because it bounces so bad. So but anyways, we're about to go hook up the trailer, the roll-off, and go pick up one dumpster and then stage it for tomorrow to take it to the landfill and then deliver it to another customer's house. So we'll see how it feels with the roll-off in the back, and then once it's somewhat loaded. Fortunately, I'm only picking up the 15-yarder today, not a real heavy one, but we shall see how she rides and feels with that 15-yarder in the back on the roll-off. All right, so just to wrap up this video, I have driven now the full day, well, part of the day with those new airbags, and I am telling you, I am 100% sold. I'm a total fan of the airbags for sure. Picked up my trailer from Nationwide Trailers. A big shout out to Nationwide. Let me tell you, there was some questionable things that I had, some little design issues or design flaws that I had with the trailer, with the guides and the little hooks that they are there on the bottom of the trailer or in the back of the trailer. And those guys, I mean, they know what they're doing. There's a reason why 90% of people cut those off, just because yeah, I ended up cutting them off. They fixed my tarp, so the tarp, the angle in which the bar would hook onto the grooves of the roller was at a wrong angle. So they not only fixed it, they put another bolt here to kind of support it and hold it in place. What else did they do? They fixed my mess ups. I mean, this was totally my mess up, but right here on these rails, you can see right here on the rails, I had totally bent them up from hooking up the 20 yards at a wrong angle, I guess. Well, I kind of still think that the winch kind of kicks the dumpster over, but anyways, they did fix that for me, and then a couple other small little things here and there. So they even replaced the arms on the tarp for me, since it had bent from the time that I did from the time that it unlocked over here and it slammed down in the back of the trailer. So didn't charge me a penny. In and out in a few hours. I ended up actually, while the trailer was getting fixed, I took the truck over to get the airbags in. So all in all, it was a good day getting the truck and trailer fixed up, ready to go. I picked up my little 13-yard dumpster, and I got it on there. So I was told that the arms might have to be adjusted when I go from the 20 to the 13, but as you can see, it fits perfectly onto that dumpster. So covers the top just fine. So at the end of the day, I'm a happy camper. Jacob with Lone Star Trailers, Jacob with Nationwide Trailers really helped us out and got everything done for me on this trailer. So I am now a super fan of Nationwide Trailers, and hit them up. They got a bunch of inventory. I had another local guy that came by today and was asking about the trailers, so gave him a good recommendation over at Nationwide. So if you need anything, if you need any trailers, definitely hit up Jacob over there. So good service department. I think the guy's name was Jake, maybe. I'm sorry for the service manager, but he took care of me too. So really good guy. And that's going to wrap up this video. Airbags, definitely a 10 out of 10. Super impressed. So huge difference on the ride of the Ram, with and without the trailer. So definitely a fan. So anyways, guys, hit that like, hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell, and we'll see you on the next one.